Everybody, see if the mic's working here. Sounds like it, looks like it. Uh, Been a while. Just gonna wing it here tonight. Been off a while, just because the market is so wonky, as they might say. Um, Nothing really major happening. Bitcoin staying around $42,000, $43,000. Looking for probably to go below 40, maybe 39, maybe 37, which would be great. Be a great buy. Um, Everything slowed down. Altcoins slowed down. There was some pumping. We'll take a look at some. Find the right screen here. Anyway, subscribe to my channel, Bitcoin Believers. Don't have enough subscribers. If I could get up to 50, I would live stream and do like all the other famous guys out there, but who cares? Things are working for me. Hope they're working for you. Hope you're not panic selling. All the fundamentals are good. All the information coming out is good. The Fed is keeping everyone scared and held down because of, certain things. I haven't made contact with a couple of friends that I haven't spoken to in a couple of weeks, and find out they're all sick. It's not from the thing, it's other stuff. So, concerned about a lot of those people, but I'm not sick. I haven't been sick in years, and anyway, enough of that. Take a look at Bitcoin on Live Coin Watch. Cardano has been tearing it up lately. The last, 30 days, 23% up, 39% up the last week, almost up 10% today. Everything else pretty much sitting in the red. Matic, which has done well last couple of weeks. Chainlink, which we had 20% gain in 30 days. Avalanche bouncing back and forth. Polkadot, don't know what's going on with those guys. Ethereum pretty much hanging around 3,300. This one here, Yearn Finance, just a token coin, nothing big about it. BAT, just get it with Brave browser, get free BAT. Crypto.com struggling a bit, even though they're up 469% for the year. And QMT, I don't know what's going on with this one. It probably was up 786 for the year, but is not doing well lately. BTC can say the same for, but that's great. I'm ready for it to come down. But let's take a look at Wedbull, because we have some strange looking charts. You just don't see this crap every day. I'm going to put it on 1 hour, get a better idea. As you can see, Cardano is blowing up, still going up. Incredible. There's a lot of stuff going on in the news with that. You can check some of the other guys. I'm not going to go over all that. They cover all that stuff. Avalanche trending down, still up at $86. BTC, of course, at 42,130. Looking for, the low today is 42. It's at the low for the day almost right now. So, yeah, get below $40,000 here, man. I would buy. Polkadot, don't know what this red wick's about. No clue. Very strange. Let me put on 1 hour. So, as you can see, it's just a roller coaster ride everywhere you go. Ethereum, struggling at 31. Is that a bargain? I don't know. Is Link gonna flip them? Is Cardano gonna flip them? I don't know. Solana, I haven't been buying Solana. Um, I don't know exactly what their deal is. Link had a fantastic run going back to, geez, man, I don't know, first of the year. Now they just now come below $24. So let's see what technicals people say about that. Now, this is a strange freaking looking chart. I mean, this is Matic, which, you know, it's been pretty consistent, consolidating, but from the first of the year when it was down to 20, got up to 24, 24, 24, 5, and now we're down to 21. This is all buys, okay? Could it go lower? Yeah, probably so. Still buy, in my opinion, because it's going to go back up. I mean, if you want to go over and look at the yearly totals on these, Polygon Matic, 6,000%, Decentraland Mana, 2,500%, Avalanche, 579, Crypto.com, 469, Power, one I picked up, Power Ledger, 415, Cardano up 319, Dot only 46%, getting worried about Dot, but a lot of stuff is riding on Polkadot. Link, even though is only up 8% for the year, they're still a powerhouse. Layer 1s. Layer 1s. Market cap, layer 1s. Okay? Let's look at market cap. Come on, market cap. Bitcoin at 797 billion. Ethereum, Cardano is in, well, 5th place actually. Let me take off the favorites. USDT, of course, stays at $1 because it's pegged against the dollar. Okay, so you're not going to lose a lot on it. Binance, I can't buy it on my exchange. Cardano, USDC, Solana coming in at number 7 market cap. So Solana, Cardano has flipped them. Is Cardano going to flip Ethereum? Well, they got a long ways to go from 50 billion to 380 billion. XRP, still in a lawsuit. Luna, very hot. I don't think I have access to that. Dot, 26 billion. Dogecoin, 22 billion. Avalanche, 21. Sheepcoin, 17. Matic, 16. So, your big cap layer 1s. We could go back to Algorand has been decent. Atom has really made a big push. Uniswap has done well. Link, of course, is good. Crypto.com, I expect it to do good. Polygon Matic, always a keeper. Avalanche, keeper. Polkadot, too much riding on it, got to keep it. Solana, probably buy back in. ADA, definitely keeper. Binance Coin, definitely. USDT, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. There you go. That's what you're looking at. You want to go down and play around with some of these crazy coins. Let's say on a 90-day. Here we have one called WAG Swap. Waggy Swap up 70,000% in 90 days. Okay, if you can predict that 3 months ago, yeah, you could be rich. But look at the yearly. They have no yearly, 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 no yearly. All the look at these percentages. 13K, 53K, 2000K, 2000K, 2000K. Here's one, IDH, it's been around a year, that's up 6,000%. Here's GST, know nothing about it, up 12,000%. But look at all the zeros. None of these have been around a year. No price discovery, so you want to take a risk on that, go ahead. I'm not going to do it. I could make a lot of money staking Staking coin is a big deal now. I can take a coin, I can stake it into another coin. In other words, it's wrapped in another coin. I have to leave that money staked inside there for a period of time before I can take my money out. So if one of those coins goes up really big, you can make, look, or like right here, 17% APY. One of the guys online put a ton of money, staked a bunch of money. It's making $84 a day in interest. So, a week, what? $600 a week, $3,200 a month, 40, 50,000 a year by just staking. You can borrow money against your crypto. You can loan it out. Okay? I did other things. I'm keeping it simple. I'm not getting into staking, dApps, DeFi, NFTs. I have some NFT ideas with a company I own that I could do something with, but at this time I am holding steady on that. Yeah, we're going to go down. Bitcoin, we're going to go, well, I'm not going to say we're going to go down, but we're at 42,000, and we're just consolidating. And, ever since we're up at around 44, I mean, that's what we're looking for. We've got to get above, let's say 45, I would say, would probably be what I'm looking for. So if we can bust above 45, and then make it a different color here, then we should take off. So probably looking at a bounce back down below 40,000. That'd be a great buy opportunity, or convert other coins. What I've done is I went from about 20 coins down to 10 coins. Then I bought in some hot coins 3 weeks ago. They were going up, and waited for them to get 10-20% up, converted them over to BTC or ADA, and that works just fine. So what's going on? Well, inflation's going on. The Fed is doing everything they can to hedge inflation. They're not going to be able to do it, and they're going to raise the interest rate 0.25%. You think that's going to do anything? No, it's not going to change any minds. It's not going to do anything, okay? They can't raise it any higher. If they raise it any higher, they will crash the economy. What happens if they crash the economy? Then a certain party loses in 2022, and they're going to lose in 2024 because they're destroying the economy. And I know why this is happening, and I know what that Far Eastern country is doing. I have a theory on that, which is the only thing that I've come up with that makes sense why they're doing what they're doing. But you're not going to hear it here. You can find it at other sources that people didn't know. Just taking a look briefly at the dollar today, high at 95, low at 95. It's not doing anything, doing the same it's always done. Gold and silver, gold 18.20, silver at 23. All undervalued because manipulation is going on with those markets, as is they're trying to do with BTC, which they will not be able to sustain as hard as they may try. So there you go. I sold a bunch of silver. I just do it on eBay. I kept all the good stuff, but eBay decoupled from PayPal, which I thought would save 4%, 5%, but they're taking, eBay is taking fees, and with the minimal shipping I pay, almost 25-30% of my sales. So I'm done with that. I've got other avenues. I'm not letting go of my good stuff. Anyway, Silver and gold has been at these prices for the last 15 years when I started buying it, and it's not changed. Will inflation change that? Possible. Could cause it bump up. Silver should be 40 cents an ounce, $40 an ounce. Gold should be 3,500, 4,000 an ounce. It's not, so we'll see what happens. If it does, I'll sell it and I'll buy BTC. There you go. Energy, looking at oil. Lord have mercy. What have you done? An energy independent country. Now we have $85 West Texas crude and $87 on Brent crude, which is going to go to 100, 120. So it means you're going to be paying $4 a gallon of gasoline by next year. Thanks to whoever you want to thank. So where are you going to go? Well, you go where the big guys go. You go to Bitcoin. That's where they're all going. And it's the only place to go. There's nowhere else to go. What do we have? Looking for. I really did try to clean up some of this stuff. Throw on the debt clock. Why not? Let's see. National debt, $30 trillion. Yes, sir, $30 trillion. Deficit. What the hell is that? 2 trillion, I guess. I don't know. It's got to be more than that. Spending and revenue, debt, federal income tax, workspace. It shows jobless rates, all this stuff. If you want to go there, it's been there forever. It's usdebtclock.org, and you can find out some interesting stuff. And I wanted to look at, well, I don't really care to look at this because people don't care. If Bitcoin ain't at 65,000, they don't really care. So, yeah, past 7 days, a little bit of interest, kind of waning, but, you know, that's the thing. I had to train myself to buy during the lows and take profit at the highs. It's a hard thing to do. It's very hard to, when something's surging, not to buy it. And when something's tanking, not to sell it. But you got to think total opposite. And do DCA, dollar cost averaging, okay? That is what you do to make money. If you dollar cost average, regardless of the price, and it's not going to matter. What is the Fear and Greed Index? I should use Crown's site for this, but we're at a 24, which is pretty good. We were at a 22, 21. Last month at a 29. Last week at a 21. So we're at a 24. So, you know, not too bad. Where is the link of Bitcoin? BTC left to mine. No, I keep losing that dang link. Mini Bitcoin. Let's see. Sorry, folks, man. I'm just, like I said, I'm winging it here. Anyway. There's a page that shows what's left. And I guess I'll have to find it. I don't see it. Anyway. Total circulating Bitcoin. What, 20 million? Yeah. So, dang it. So there are currently 18,800,000 in existence. Of course, we know 4 million were lost, so make that 14 million. Right now, we're only adding 6.5 Bitcoin into circulation, which is not happening really because the miners aren't selling yet. But at the prices they're getting at, they may start selling, which is why Bitcoin could go down in the next near short term. If miners start selling to pay their bills, then it will put money on exchanges. But there is no exchanges selling Bitcoin at the moment. One estimate of lost Bitcoin is 3 to 4 million. Another 120,000 Bitcoin were stolen from Bitfinex in 2016. How many Bitcoins did he mine? Every 10 minutes. Anyway, I thought it was like 900 a day right now that they were mining. I think that is correct. That we have the halving event that comes up every 2 years, or is it 4 years? I don't know. Anyway, halving event coming up this year, which means that will be cut in half. If they're doing 900 in mining, they will only be doing 450. And what does that mean? That's 450 less that can be mined to be put on exchanges, which it doesn't matter because it's being bought by the big guys anyway. So there you go. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Like I said, Bitcoin Believers on YouTube. Subscribe. I have over, I don't know, 250 something videos. Started off as the beginning training for people inexperienced with Bitcoin. But at the time that happened, there was a big price explosion with Bitcoin. And I kind of had to switch over and start doing regular videos. So not a lot of people on today broadcasting. Jack Dorsey, I guess it was last week, announced that he is starting a Bitcoin mining company, Square, which I now believe is called Block. So that explains why he left Twitter. He's all in on the mining. So there you go. Jack Dorsey, one of the richest, biggest tech guys in the world, quitting so he can be a miner. Fascinating, isn't it? Yes, it is. So, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Like I said, it's pretty simple. I keep it simple. I'm not staking. I'm not buying into NFTs. Metaverse is coming along. People buying land for $500,000. Yachts worth $500,000 that are not even real. Well, I will go out and buy a real damn yacht for $4 million, where I'm going to go spend a bunch of damn crappy ass money on something that's fake. So, anyway, so there you have your Bitcoin chart. Going back to the first of the year at $47,000, so we are looking to put in 45. What we probably will not see is, geez, man, look at these. Oh, there's the lines. What we probably will not see is anything below the last macro low, which was when Crown, January 21st, 2021. A year ago, we hit $29,000. So we go down here. I'm going to move this down here to 29.5. We hit 29.5. We went up to 56. We bounced off the 45,000. I wish I used a Fibonacci, but I don't, because the Fibonacci aligns up with pretty much. Came back and tested it at 46. We went up to 60,000. Came back down to 51. Back up to the high of about 64, 65,000. came back down, tested the 47, up to 59 again, 60, then down testing 47, down testing 44, down testing 40, then we went back down to 30s again, which everybody should have been buying their ass off. Bottomed out at the 29 again. So there you go. There's a 29. Never went below it. Went back up, tested 42, back down to 38, 48, back up to 40, down to 44, back up to 51, back up to 52, then back down to 45 again, and then once we hit 43, which is about where we are right now, we shot up to $68,000. 68,621, something in that area. Then we bounced down, we bounced down, we bounced down. We bounced off the blue line at 48,000, consolidated, and came down to 45, consolidated, came up to 51, came back down to 46, then dropped to 41 again, and we're consolidating around 42. So, we will either breach this 40,000 level and drop down to probably, I didn't want that. I'm just going to put that at 37. Make that yellow. 37. So, should we hit below that, then, yeah. Could be time to, if you're short or you're long, cool. Go ahead. Use leverage, whatever you want to do. Pretty risky business. I think we're going to look at the daily as far as the EMA. We're below the 20 EMA. We had a death cross back here a while back, right here, I guess it was, on the 50 and the 21. Death cross. I don't even see the 200. 200's probably got to be on not quarterly. Let's try monthly. I don't know what happened to my 200 EMA, but it seems to have disappeared on me. That's why. 200 EMA. So on a monthly chart, we are sitting above the 21, well above the 50 and the 200. On the daily, we are right below the 21. And as you can see right here, we had a death cross with the 50 crossing the 200. So that's on the daily chart. On 4 hour. 4 hour, we're looking at we're below the 21 and the 50. So, not great indicators. I can get some TA from some of the other guys, find out what's going on, but that's kind of the update. I'm not going to regurgitate everything that's going on everywhere, because there's just so much going on. It's just, and it's all good news, The only thing holding anything back is, the powers that be trying to hold the price back. So, anyway. So, looking at it, weekly chart, ADA's killing it. Ethereum, Polkadot, Matic, Decentraland, Mana's been up. So, if we go to the 30-day, we only have Power, Ledger, ADA, Link. These are just ones that I play with that are in the green. Everything else is woo big time. Avalanche down 25, Ethereum down 20, Mana, Crypto.com, QNT, BTC, so on and so forth. 90-day. Big gains 90-day for a lot of these. Big losses for BTC, of course. Anyway, so that's kind of where we're at. I'm not going to make it too long. I hope. Well, the mic's working, but I don't know if I hear anything coming out of speakers or not. I guess I do. Sometimes I get some good reverb off that. I like it. All I can say is, God almighty, I wish baseball season was back, man. Talk about some 4 sorry-ass NFL playoff games out of, what is it, 5 or whatever. Yeah, 31-11 right now. Los Angeles against Arizona. What is that? I guess that's the Raiders against Arizona. So 31-11. Another blowout. Anyway, bring back the Stros. Yeah. Anyway, hey, supply chains are getting short. Don't know if you've been to the grocery store lately. A lot of stuff missing. It's going to get worse. Going to get a lot worse. So, not very far from November. So y'all get out there and do your thing, man. Let's fix this, because if you don't do it, nobody will. So, anyway, God bless you all, and go Stros. Eyes up always. Make ready for what's to come. Thank you, John B. If you don't mind. Take it easy.